Hello everyone, this is Tejashwini. My trainer name is Ashok sir. Today I am going to explain on-size error. On-size error is nothing but when we are performing arithmetic operation, we can prefer on-size error to perform the exception handling. The syntax for the on-size error is on-size on-size error. If any truncation is possible, on-size error will be activated. Then it comes to the executable statements. If no truncation is possible, then it comes to not on-size error. Then it will execute the executable statements. And this syntax has the explicit scope terminator. Coming to on-size error and not on-size error are the COBOL statements. If any truncation is possible, on-size error will be activated. If not any error is possible, then not on-size error will be activated. For example, we are taking three variables, that is 01 WSA picture clause of 9 of 2, value 10. The second variable WSB picture clause of 9 of 2, value 10. 01 WSC picture clause of 9 of 3, value 0. Here we are performing one arithmetic operation using on-size error. Coming to the procedure division, area B, uh, compute WSC equals to WSA into WSB. On-size error display truncation is possible. Not on-size error display the result. Then end compute.